Oh, hi guys! I didn't see you there. My name is Fleur and welcome to my new video. I'm going to Disneyland Paris tomorrow and I thought maybe it's fun to share with you guys what I'm bringing with me. So join me as I pack my suitcase. I'm also going to pack my bark bag, my park bag. And I'm also bringing a small bag for snacks because I just love eating. Anyway, maybe you're also packing for a Disney park. Maybe you are looking for some inspiration on what to bring with you on a holiday. Maybe you don't have any trips planned, but you're just happy to watch this video. In that case, and in any other case, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So starting with clothing, this is the first outfit. We'll be going for 3 days and we'll be staying in Hotel Sequoia Lodge. I haven't stayed there before, so it's all new and exciting for me and I'm just very, very hyped to go there. This will be my first outfit that I'm going to bring with me. We have 3 days, so I have 3 outfits. This will also be my travel day outfit. We live in the Netherlands and I think we will depart at 4 o'clock in the morning, something like that, maybe a little bit earlier. It's like a 5-hour drive by car from the Netherlands to Disneyland Paris, so it's not too bad, but I just want to wear something comfortable and I thought this sweater would be amazing for that. I got this sweater from a friend of mine over in the OG Disneyland. I love the colors. Orange is like my favorite color combined with pink. I also have these rose gold mini ears, which were very popular a few years ago, but I just got them secondhand. I love them. And I'm just wearing like some basic black jeans. I will be also bringing my white sneakers with me. It's just one pair of sneakers because we're only going for 3 days, so I don't need a lot of options. I just want comfortable shoes. So that's it for outfit number 1. Let's go to outfit number 2. This is the outfit for the second day and I just love it. I got this kind of like purple sweater. It's made out of, I want to say wool, but it's not wool. It was like a pretty cheap sweater, but I just love the colors. Also, if you're wondering what this is, I just got a microphone, an external microphone, so hopefully the audio will be better. Let me know if you hear a difference, if you think this quality is good. I just didn't know where to clip it, so I clipped it inside my sweater. I'm also wearing this skirt, which is the perfect length for me because normally whenever I buy a skirt, it's like a smaller size, you know what I mean? Like the length, it goes like, it's a bit cheeky, if you know what I mean. But this is more like casual. It's like I can go to my grandparents in this skirt and they won't make fun of me. I'm also wearing this legging, which is like the best legging ever when it's winter because it is like fleece on the inside. I saw this legging on TikTok so many times and I always thought it was like a scam, it wouldn't be that good. But then I eventually caved in and got it. I'm also bringing my pajamas with me. It's this shirt and just some basic shorts. I'm also bringing this thermal shirt with me. I thought it would be very nice if the weather is okay. I can just wear this thermal shirt underneath my sweaters and then I don't have to cover up my outfit with a jacket. At least that's what I'm going for. I hope that will work and I hope it will keep me warm during the day. Almost forgot the Disney 100 ears. Obviously have to go with this outfit as well. This will be the outfit for the final day in Disneyland Paris. It's a bit of a basic one, but I just love it nonetheless. I got this sweater in Disneyland Paris back when I was visiting in November. It has a Minnie, a Mickey, and a Goofy on the back skiing. I just like the aesthetics of this sweater. And I thought it would be very fitting for this winter trip to Disneyland Paris, so I had to bring it along. I don't really have Minnie or Mickey ears to combine it with, so I thought I could just put on a beanie. It would be very nice when I'm cold. And I'm also bringing my gloves with me, so I don't get cold hands. I mean, it isn't supposed to be that cold. I just checked the weather forecast and it said that it should be around 12 degrees. Anyway, this will be the outfit for my last day. And I just love how comfy and cozy this outfit is. So in terms of toiletries, I'm bringing quite a lot for a 3-day trip. I can do minimalistic packing, but this time I was like, you know what? I'm going by car. There are no restrictions on how much I can bring with me, so I'm just going all out. So that's why I have so much with me. First up, I have this little cute container, and it includes my toothbrush, toothpaste, and some cotton pads. I don't know if they're called cotton pads in English. Anyway, I got this cute little container and I personalized it with this very cute Alice in Wonderland keychain. I hope you can see it. Next up, I have this bag, pretty packed. I'm bringing some face sheets with me. I got these in Tokyo Disney while I was visiting back in 2017, so they're a bit old. I just saw them laying in my bathroom collecting dust, and I thought, you know what, this is perfect for me and my friend. So I got one for my friend and one for me, so it would be like a fun little thing to do. I'm bringing my facial cleaner. I also got these cute little travel bottles. One's filled with shampoo and the other one is filled with shower gel. We are staying in Hotel Sequoia Lodge, so probably they have plenty of soap and shampoo over there. But I just like to be well prepared, as I said. And I don't know, bringing in your own shampoo and shower gel, it calms me, gives me a little bit of peace. I'm bringing in my hairbrush, a makeup sponge. Now I also brought this fun little bath bomb with me. Like I said before, we're staying in Hotel Sequoia Lodge, and if I'm not mistaken, it will have a bath. So I thought it would be nice to have like this very colorful, fun bath after a long day in the parks to kind of like treat myself a bit. Next up, I have the Dream Cream of Lush. It's a hand and body lotion. I'm normally not the biggest fan of body lotion, but I always have this image of when I go to a holiday, I will be indulged in self-care and I will be like the most self-loving person in the world. So I will use all of these products that I normally don't use at home. I don't know if you are the same type of person. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm also bringing my deodorant. I have my razor. I'm also bringing these testers with me. I got them for free when I ordered stuff online. Normally I don't really use them at home. This is another one of those products that when I'm at home, I normally don't use them. But when I go on a holiday, I tend to just bring everything with me that I normally don't use and use it on the holiday. So hopefully I can combine smelling nice to seeing if I like the scents or not, and maybe I will end up buying one of these perfumes one day. Last but not least, there's like a small zipper in this little bag, and I will be bringing in my makeup brushes. If you're thinking, wow, Fleur, your makeup brushes look so clean. Your makeup sponge looks so clean. I just got them brand new. Like, I had my makeup brushes for ages and I thought it was about time to replace them. So I got some new ones. Hopefully better quality as well, but we'll see. Next up, moving on to makeup. I have my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Like I said before, I'm bringing a lot and I probably won't use half of this, but I just like to have my options here. I'm also bringing my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Some eyeshadow to go along with the primer. This is just like a very basic eyeshadow palette that I got from Revolution. I don't know. It's pretty old. Some compact powder. I'm also bringing this bronzer with me. Got this one recently and absolutely love it. Wearing it right now. It is like this very warm, glowy, shimmery bronzer thing going on. I had some bronzer in this palette as well, but it's almost empty. I have my highlighter and blush over here, which are still good to go, so that's why I'm bringing it with me. So I have my mascara, eye pencil. I have 2 lip liners with me and some lip gloss. Lately, I've been really loving just using lip liner for my entire lips. I don't think that's how you're supposed to use them, but for some reason, I'm just too lazy to buy the lip liner and a lipstick. And I thought adding lip gloss to it adds a very nice touch. It's what I'm currently wearing, and I don't know, I kind of like it. I have my foundation, concealer, this brush that I forgot there was not really much room in the other bag anymore, and my brow gel. I think that's it when it comes to the toiletries, makeup and everything. I still feel like I forget something, but when I look at this is a pretty big collection of things that I'm bringing with me, so I think I should be good. One tip I want to share with you real quick is to use packing cubes. I absolutely love it because it makes packing so much easier. It's a little bit more organized. Your things just don't go flying around your entire suitcase. As you can see, I have 2 bags over here filled with my clothing, and I have this bag with my toiletries, a bag with my makeup, and then this is my toothbrush container. I got this entire set off of Amazon. It was really, really cheap. I also have this small bag with me to put in my dirty laundry so it don't get mixed with all of my clean clothes. There are some more cubes. This was just like half of it, but it doesn't fit in my small suitcase, probably more meant for the bigger suitcases. I'm also bringing these tissues with me. I always struggle with a runny nose when it's winter, so that's why I'm bringing enough with me to last me for the 3 days. I will also be adding my phone charger, my external microphones for when I want to film with better audio, my external battery for when I film in the parks. I will be filming with my phone because I don't have my camera anymore. I sold it. But apart from that, I think my suitcase is done. So we're moving on to my park bag. So this will be the park bag that I'm going to bring with me to Disneyland. As you can see, it's from Loungefly and it's from the movie Up. We have the characters over here enjoying an ice cream, and this bag smells amazing. It smells like strawberry ice cream on the inside. It even has like a small little ice cream keychain around here. It has 2 side pockets, which is very nice, very handy. The quality is so good. It's pretty firm. You have a front zipper over here, and on the main part you have like this double-sided zipper, and it opens like this big compartment of the bag. Anyway, I'm going to fill this up with all of the essentials that I'm going to bring with me to the parks. And first up, I have this little container. It originally included peppermints, but I just finished them, and now I have like some emergency stuff in here, like the aspirin, some bandages, stuff like that. So this will be going in the front pockets. Next up, I'm also bringing these toothpicks. I just hate it whenever I eat and there's like food stuck between my teeth. I will become obsessed with it and it will ruin my entire day, so that's why I bring those with me. I'm also bringing some mints because I finished the ones in the other packaging and I like to smell fresh. Now my boyfriend got me this water bottle. It's like a very cute color and it has like this very easy drinking system. I will be bringing in some like squeezed lemonade. I'll show you in a second, and I thought it would be like a very cheap and easy way to stay hydrated during the day, because God knows drinks and food in Disneyland is just so expensive. So if you want to save up some money whenever you can, I would definitely recommend bringing in your own food and drinks. So for now, this bottle will go into my park bag and I will have to put it into the main compartments like this, and it fits perfectly, so makes me very happy. Next up, I'll be bringing my sunglasses. I don't think they will be necessary, but just in case, I will be also including pins. From time to time, I like to do some pin trading. I don't have that many pins, but these are just some ones that I am willing to miss. But I'm not very sure on this one. I mean, I really like it, but we will see. I got these 2 from pin trading as well. I've never been to Hong Kong before. Next up, I have these friendship bracelets. They're Disney themed, as you can see. I have one over here, Let It Go. I have 2 Infinity and Beyond. I have Ohana over here, which is Lilo and Stitch. So I made 5 friendship bracelets, and I think it would be very fun to hand them out to cast members who might be working to share a little bit of magic with them as well. I don't know, I think it's fun to do something like that for the cast members. And it creates like this very special magical interaction, which is always fun to do. It can really brighten someone's day, and I think kindness is just something that everybody deserves. So yeah, I can make 5 people happy with these, hopefully. And I will put these in the other side of my bag. So they will go over here. Now, last but not least, I'm bringing these markers with me. It might be a weird thing to bring with you, but bear with me. Me and my friend, we are going to do a lot of character interactions, and whenever you do character interactions, it's always nice to bring something with you that will enhance the experience. So collecting autographs is just something that we'd like to do. I heard that she wants to collect autographs on a water bottle, and I think I'm going to collect autographs on a canvas tote bag, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So that's why I have these permanent markers with me. Hopefully they will last and the autographs won't smudge over time, but we will just see. I think it's like a very cute thing to do and to bring with me, so I'm gonna put these in here as well. Okay, so that's it for my park bag. I will also include the canvas bag, but the canvas bag is also being used to transfer the snacks. So let's move on to the snacks. This is the canvas tote bag that I was talking about, and I hope to collect all of the characters' autographs on here. I think I will have plenty of space. There's also some more space on the bag, and I just like the design. I thought it was very cute with all the little hearts, and it also gave me like Taylor Swift lover vibes. So that might also be one of the reasons why I like this tote bag. And these are the snacks that I'm going to bring with me. First up, I have these bolletje goed bezig granenrepen. And in English, I guess they are called like cereal bars. They include choco and hazelnut, and it looks absolutely delicious. Okay, so next up I have these corn waffles. At least I hope they are called that way in English. Otherwise, I'm not so sure what they are called, but this is what they look like. And it is cheese flavored, which I like. Otherwise, they would be pretty plain. I have some crunchy peas over here. They look really good. It's like sour cream and jalapeno flavor. Very nice. Now these were the squeezy lemonade things that I was talking about. You just hold it into your bottle and you squeeze a few times, and then the lemonade will go in. You will just only have to add the water, and it's good for 6 liters of water, so that's really, really nice. I have cactus lime, and I also have cosses. I don't know what's called in English. It's like berry flavor. I also got this snack mix for €1. It has banana and choco into it. It's like milk and pure. It's a very sweet peanuts combination, and I thought it would be good for like a midnight snack, something like that. And also I absolutely love these chips. They're called Käseln. I guess it's like Swiss or German or something like that, but it's like Emmentaler flavor. These are like very airy and so delicious. It's a pretty small size, but they're so good, and I just had to get them with me. So these will go into the snack bag. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for packing my suitcase with me, my park bag, and also my snack bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like and comment, subscribe, do all of those magical things. Stick around because I will be filming in Disneyland Paris. I hope to get out 3 vlogs because we will be going for 3 days. I just know it will be so much fun. So be sure to stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!